Daddy's going again. Daddy's going to lose his head. Daddy's going again. Daddy came to write you a little symphony. Daddy told you you were a Jew without a fucking menorah. Wanna get a quarter? You wanna get a bar mitzvah? I fucking told ya. Cut your dick first, motherfucker, before you rap. Get your money floating on top of your fucking hat. Get some fucking noise from the tubes and then you'll rap. Really, motherfucking, no, I ain't gotta fucking do all that. I still fucking beatbox your ass out and about. I don't give a fuck if y'all think I don't know how to rap. I still beat representing the west side. And R.I.P. to the homies that's still living. And I don't know what the fuck you think about Michael Jackson Thriller. Try to change my eyes while you disguise me. Where y'all think I'm a motherfucking Nazi? Y'all think cause I shave my head and I say gang bang words like cum stains all around me, I'm a fucking faggot? Will suck my dick too. I don't give a shit. I'll fucking say it to you too, bitch. I ain't never gonna trip about you. But every day it seems like I'm losing my mind without you. And every time I try to rhyme in time, it's like energy. It flows in me so simply. Tupac and Eazy-E are homies for life, and y'all know E. Hey, no matter what, I'm gonna fucking pay the price that the devil came and try to take my fucking life. And I said I ain't selling myself for no fucking devil. You can fucking sit in the back and smoke your stoner. I ain't gotta play with no shaggy dude, cause I already got my fucking clue. Recovery's the way to go, and before I leave, I'm gonna fucking leave y'all with some in the snow. Do some cold. I don't give a fucking shit if y'all think I dip. If y'all think I ain't legit, because I know the money be flowing one day or now. And Mac Millie say perfectly, fuck y'all hoes. Money's where it's at.